If you are just starting out in generative AI, or you are a non-technical person, or you simply have no clue as how to install, run, download these large language models, then maybe give it a go to LocalChat. LocalChat is simple tool to chat with large language models on your own computer. LocalChat requires very little setup. With the help of LocalChat, you can chat with generative language models locally on your computer with zero setup. LocalChat is a simple, easy to set up local AI chat built on top of llama.cpp. It requires no technical knowledge and enables users to experience ChatGPT-like behavior on their own machines. It is also fully GDPR compliant and without the fear of accidentally leaking information. Just consider this use case that you have your own personal sensitive data, or you run a small business which you cannot share the data with the outside world, or you have some regulatory requirements. Then at the same time, you don't want to pay for a high level AI professional to set up everything for you. In that case, all you need to do is to get a decent computer, better if it has one GPU, and then on that computer simply install this LocalChat tool, and then simply download the model and chat with it by pointing it to your own local documents, or even just simply chat with it. Now let me show you how you can install this locally on your Windows system. The first thing you need to do is to go to this GitHub repo of LocalChat, and I'll drop the link in video's description. From there, go to the release section, and you can go to the release section by just scrolling up a little bit, and then you can see that this is the release section on the right hand side. From here, just click on releases and then scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see that there are a lot of packages for all the operating system. We are interested in the Windows one, which is this setup.exe. Right click and then save link as, and it is going to save it on your local system. Save. Once you have saved it, then open your download area where you have downloaded it. Let me quickly check where I have downloaded. This is where I have downloaded it. Click on LocalChat setup, and it is going to set it up on your local system. Just wait for it to appear. It is loading. While it loads, another thing you need to know if you're interested is that this accepts the large language models in GGUF format. GGUF stands for GPT generated unified format, and what happens is that there are full models of full size, then people convert them to this GGUF format, which consumes less memory. So we are going to play around with this LocalChat in GGUF format. So you see that it is loaded. That was all you needed to do. Download the file, double click on it, and LocalChat is set up. Now in order to download the model, on the bottom right of this window, click on manage models. Then here you need to put the whole URL or link to that model in the GGUF format. In order to do that, go to Hugging Face. In the Hugging Face, let me actually show you from the full one. So just type here Hugging Face. In the Hugging Face, in the search box, type maybe Tiny Llama. Once you type Tiny Llama, you can see that there is this third one in the GGUF format. Click on it. From here, click on Files, and you can see that there are a lot of quantized version or GGUF versions of same model. Let's select any one of them. Click on it, and then from here you can simply right click, copy link. This is the whole link of this model. Then come here and paste that link here like this, and just remove this download is equal to true, because we just need the whole file in .gguf format. Click on download, and you can see that the download has started. So let's wait for it to download. The model is downloaded. Let me make this screen a bit bigger like this. Okay, now in order to use this model, all you need to do is on the top left, click on new conversation. It says no model here. So in that case, just click on force reload model here, and then you can see that model is here. Now let's click on new conversation. Okay, now also let's go back from here. So as soon as you click on this new conversation, this chat window will pop up. Sometimes it takes a bit of a time. Now all you need to do is to type your question here in order to chat with the model. And if you click on the system prompt, it just shows you if there is any system prompt you want it to give, and I'll explain it shortly. In order to use this, simply press enter or click on send, and you can see that it is saying that which I just asked which one came first, egg or chicken, and the model has responded with some response. We can regenerate the last response if we don't like it, and then there are you can just keep talking with this model. Now for the system prompt, you can just go here, you can just tell it, okay, you are a helpful maybe I'll just say a dancer which teaches dance moves. Save system prompt. Okay, let's see what's the best dance move out there. So system prompt is primarily, in this case, we're just telling model what exactly to expect and then use. Now you can see that model has just picked up our last conversation, the context, and then talking on the on that during that context. Now this is how you install this local chat and then talk with it. Now another thing to notice that the quality of the responses was not that high, and the reason being because one, it's a very small model. Secondly, it's a very low quant or quantized version of this model. So what I mean here is that if you go to these files, you can see that there are a lot of quantized model starting from smaller size to larger size, and then there are different quantized versions. The smaller the quant will be like Q1, Q2, Q3, then the performance will be degraded. The higher you will go, like Q4, Q7, 8, it will be increased. So but depending upon your system's resources, you can download the quant or GGUF file accordingly. That's it. This is how easy it is. Now this is not a production ready project, to be fair. This is just as a hobby project, still good enough if you want to use it for personal or small business, I guess. But if you're looking for something more beefy, more more performant, I would suggest maybe go with LM Studio. But still, I think for a hobby project, fairly good enough just as a chat interface. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this project in video's description, and if you have any comments or thoughts, please share them. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.